Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt, and I'm sorry if I haven't been very regular with my Patreon videos lately. Life's been very busy with doing new books and doing lots of other things, and we're also about to go away for a month's worth of shows to the South Island, so hopefully I'll be able to keep up there. If you've got any questions or comments or things you want me to do videos about, just let me know. Today I thought I'd give you a sneak preview, as long as you promise not to tell anybody, about one of the books that we've got coming up. This is a sentence structure in the book. I haere o ki somewhere, ki te kite something. So this I haere o, this is I, and this is going, and this is the past tense. I is the past tense. So this means I went, because it makes haere into the past tense. I went, and this is to. I went to. So let's say I went to Ohakune. So let's say I went to Ohakune. I haere o ki Ohakune. So that would just mean I went to Ohakune. But you could also say at the end of that sentence, kite, and that's to, and then this kite, see, because you know how you say ka kite, that means see you. Ka kite, kite, so that's a little bit, sounds a bit repetitive, but it's two separate things. Kite, and then we have to put an E here before what it is that we've gone to see. Okay, so I went to see, and what might you go to? You might go to see the snow, so that would be hukapapa, and that would probably be te. Okay, I haere o ki Ohakune ki te kite I te hukapapa. So it's quite a it seems like a complicated sentence, but actually it's not too complicated, because this is to see, and this always goes in between what you're going to see, and then that's what you're actually seeing, and then this is the tense, and this is who's doing it, and this is haere as in go, and this is where. So this could change to Taupo or Queenstown or Australia. So let's say I went to Australia, and that would be in te reo ahi te reiria. Let's say it was I haere o ki ahi te reiria ki te kite I. So last year I went to Australia to see the Melbourne Cup. So perhaps I could say I haere o ki ahi te reiria ki te kite I te, and whatever the word is for Melbourne Cup, I don't know. I te Melbourne Cup. Okay, so if you want to make it the future tense, ka haere o, I, and that means I will go. Ka haere o ki Ohakune ki te kite I te hukapapa. I will go to Ohakune to see the snow. Kei te haere o, and that means I'm going, like I'm actually on my way. I'm going, kei te, that's the present tense. Kei te haere o ki Ohakune ki te kite I te hukapapa. And kua is I have done it. So kua is the past tense, but it's a little bit more immediate past tense, and it's in the equivalent. This is like I went or I did something, and in English we would say I have been to. So this is kua haere o, I have been to. And it seems a little bit like we've just come back. Kua haere o ki Ohakune ki te kite I te hukapapa. So that's some of the things you could say for the tenses. And then under this one, you could change this as well. So koe. And so I haere koe, so that was you went to. And if you put a question mark at the end, it's did you go to? I haere koe ki Ohakune ki te kite I te hukapapa. Did you go to Ohakune to see the snow? And then you could also make it ia, and that's he or she. I haere ia ki, so that could be he went to, I haere ia. He or she went to Ohakune to see the snow, or make it into question. Did he or she go to Ohakune to see the snow? Maua is the two of us went, and that's if we're talking to somebody else about the two of us. So if I was talking about my husband and I, I haere maua ki Ohakune ki te kite I te hukapapa, that would mean that my husband and I, the two of us, maua, went, and I'm talking to another person about that. Mātou is three or more of us, and rātou is three or more of them. Those people over there. I haere rātou ki Ohakune ki te kite I te hukapapa. Okay, so there's a bit of a, it might be complicated, but you can make this work for lots and lots of sentence structures, and just put those basics there and practice it. Okay, ka kite.